Hey there, Pit Boss Nation. Do you want to make the best burger you've ever tasted in your life? Well, search no further. This video is going to show you how you can make our patty melt smash burger on the smoker. That's right, on the smoker. We're using our Charleston.
Welcome back to Budget Boss. My name is Gustavo, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make the smoked smash burger patty melt on your Pit Boss Charleston unit. This is half smoker, half griddle. We've used it for a couple of our recipes before, and we're gonna use it again. Today, we're also gonna be using our smash burger kit with our ultimate burger rub. You can find all these items at Walmart. So, before we get into this recipe, make sure you guys like, make sure you comment, let us know what you wanna see next, and you hit that notification bell right after you hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into this recipe.
Today on Budget Boss, we're going to be making patty melt smash burgers, and we're going to be using the ultimate burger rub. It can be found here at Walmart. We're also going to be using the Onyx edition, which can also be found here at Walmart. Let's get into this recipe. All right, guys, I was able to get all of my ingredients for this recipe under $20. All you need is one onion, and the trick here is you really want to slice it paper thin, and we're going to use a mandolin to be able to slice it really thin. You're gonna do the same thing with one jalapeno. You almost want to see through the vegetable, and as you can see, it's very thin, almost transparent. Now we're gonna get our ground beef. I got 2 tubes. This should make 4 burgers, 2 burgers per tube. And what we're looking for is 73 lean, 27 fat ratio on our ground beef. I got 16-ounce tubes, and the trick with the smash burger is you don't necessarily want to compact the burgers super tight together. You kind of want to have them loose, and we're gonna make 4-ounce balls. Then we're gonna use our ultimate burger rub. We're gonna season it, not too much. We don't want to overpower the burger, especially once we smash it. I'm going to just put a small layer on the top and on the bottom. We're setting it at 200 degrees because that's what's going to get us the best results when trying to get smoky flavor. Then we're going to place the burger balls into our smoker. I'm going to add some bacon to the back of the grill as well. And once we're done building these burgers out, that bacon should be nice and crispy. Now I'm going to turn on the griddle side of our Charleston unit. I'm going to make sure to flip our ground beef. And then I'm going to put our bread on the grill. Notice we're not using any oil. That's the trick with smash burgers. You don't want to use oil, you want to use the fat from the burger itself. Then I'm going to put a handful of onions and a handful of jalapeño on top of the burger. Then I'm going to get my wax paper and my smash burger press. And I'm really going to smash it. I'm going to kind of extend my hand across the edges, so that way anything and everything gets smashed down as flat as possible. Then, once a nice crust has developed, we let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. We give it a quick flip and a press. You don't want to press it out too much because that's going to remove all the juices from the inside. Even though it's a smash burger, we want it to be juicy. I then add my white American cheddar slices on top of the patties. And in case you were wondering, yes, this is garlic bread. We got it from Walmart in the bakery section, and it is absolutely delicious. Now let's build out these sandwiches. I'm going to take our 2 pieces of bread, whipped Philadelphia jalapeno cream cheese, and put that on the bottom bun.
Then I'm gonna get my chipotle aioli and put that on the top bun. Put my 2 patties on top with the 2 pieces of bacon. Put my bread on top. Look at that. Garlic bread, smash burgers, patty melt, whatever you want to call it. I call it delicious. I even made one without bacon for those who, don't eat pork. Let me try it out really quick. I just wanted to show you guys my reaction. I had nothing to say because it was so good. Man, it was so good. I'm gonna just show you guys how I made this one more time. So the jalapeno cream cheese at the very bottom. Then your chipotle aioli. Then you're gonna put your 2 patties on top. Layer it with bacon. Get those burnt veggies that you seen on the side, put them in the burger too. Yep. Give it a nice chop in half. You might have the best burger you've ever tasted. All right, guys, so there we have it. We have our patty melt smash burgers. We used the garlic bread. We used the jalapeno cream cheese that's whipped. We used the white American cheese. We smashed it with our griddle kit. And we made sure to use our ultimate burger rub. This is the ultimate burger rub. You can not only use this on smash burgers, but you can use this on any type of burger that you have. Turkey burgers, you name it. Now that you made it this far into the video, please leave a comment below. Let us know what you thought of this video, if you want to see more recipes like this, or if you want more barbecue classics that we all know and love. Let me know. Again, my name is Gustavo. This is Budget Boss. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way you know every single time we drop a new video. And always remember, everyone has to eat. I'll see you guys next time.